Hello boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka from DIY Crafts with Priyanka. Today we are gonna make this beautiful 3D gift tag. It's a candy cane and written ho ho ho, and at the back you can write your message. So let's just start. For this, what I am doing is taking a small circle punch and then I'm cutting some circles from these two glitter sheets to give the effect of red and white. So once you've got this, just fold these in half and we will join them together with alternate colors. So once you're done with your circles, just put glue on one side, and then since this is silver, I'm sticking the red one here. So we will stick in alternate colors and then pinch it so that they stick to each other. If you don't want to hold it together for a long time, you can use small binder clips. These are available in stationery in all sizes, so you can grab these. So quickly I'm going to do all of this. So for total 9 pairs we are going to do this quickly. Okay, so once you're done with these, we will make a figure here with a pencil. So I will draw out a candy cane. So like this, and then I will do this here, cut a triangle to make a tag, and then for the reference I will do the mirror image of this on the other side so that we have equal triangles on both the sides here like this. Now let's start to stick. First we are going to start sticking with one circle, put glue on all the flat thing. Now let's start. Now I will stick from the silver side here, otherwise it will look all red. So silver and silver will coincide. Now just give it a shape of a candy cane. Silver, red and red now. Red and red now, and then silver and silver. So you can turn these around as well to give it a beautiful look like this. And there we go. And then we will take our thread, fold it in half, and then take these ends of this thread through our loop. That's it. Now our tag is ready. I hope you guys had fun. If you do subscribe to my channel and just look out for more tutorials. Till then, happy crafting. This is Priyanka from DIY Crafts with Priyanka. Happy crafting, Merry Christmas. See you, bye.